Hello everyone. Today I will show you a simple but effective secret ingredient for cement mortar. I will be making tiles for my garden path. Watch the video to the end, where there will be another interesting experiment. First, I will wash the tile molds. In order for the garden tiles to turn out well, you need to remove the remains of the previous cement mortar. Now I take used motor oil and pour a little into the mold. That's enough. If you've poured too much, you can pour the excess into another mold. Now I spread the oil with a brush to cover the surface of the tile mold. I will prepare the forms for the curb in the same way. Now I'm going to start preparing the cement mortar. Concrete mixer, water, sand, and cement. I also add reinforcement to make the tile stronger. For this, I use microfiber, which is sufficient. Now it's time to add dishwashing detergent. This will make the concrete more elastic and easier to pour into the plastic tile mold. The solution is ready. Now let's fill our molds. Here they are. They have been treated with motor oil and are ready to go. Since I don't have a vibrating table, I do it this way. You need to remove the air from the bottom of our mold, otherwise the surface of the tile will be full of holes. To reinforce the curb, I take what I have. After 2 days, the tile is ready and can be removed from the mold so that it can dry and be installed. In order to remove the paving slabs from the mold properly, they need to be heated. To do this, I use hot water or sunlight to expand the plastic slightly. I pour water on top and the tile comes off very well. Now I'm going to make a foamy solution and wash the tiles because I want to paint them. Before painting, I will apply a primer. Once the primer has dried, I begin painting. Here's what I came up with. Do you think the paint will last? I used frost-resistant exterior paint, but it's very cheap. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to the channel. All the best.